Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix the update server could not be resolved while trying to install the VMware Workstation tools. To get started, simply open your browser and search for VMware Tools download. From the search results, go to this index of tools of VMware and download this exe file. After the download completes, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Click on Yes when prompted. Click on Next, then Next again, and finally click on Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once done, click on Finish and then click on Yes to restart. Once the restart completes, you won't get to see the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.